Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. This is my 1998 Mach 1, but something is missing, and I know what. No, this is not pink camo. Don't get your hopes up. This is the second piece, but I'm gonna show you the main piece. The Mach 1 is famous for their shaker hood. With the new 2021 Mach 1s, a lot of people did not like that it didn't have the Mach 1 shaker hood. But what it did have was the Mach 1 stripe. And that's what this is right here. I got that decal way before I even started the swap. As soon as I got the Mach 1 originally, I went ahead and bought that because I knew that I was gonna have to put that on the car. No matter what I was doing, I knew that had to go on the car. And I want to say thank you to Dusty Davis, Bros Graphics, because he got me that. He was also the one that gave me the the horses on the brake calipers. They still look really good. Don't mind the rust. You know, haven't drove in a while. I am also missing side emblems. So I got some side emblems to put on the side. Y'all probably gonna be like, why did you do that? I got these little chrome horses. No tri-bar, just the horse. Another thing that was missing that I knew I needed to do, like I have to have it to, I had to have, the car have to say Mach 1 on it somewhere. It's the Mach 1 badge for the trunk. And I'm not gonna put it on the new edge side. I'm actually gonna put it on where my Ford logo used to be. So I'm gonna put it right there. Feel like that's a good spot for it. The stripe also came with a little back piece that's supposed to go on the back of the hood, this part right here. But as you can see, it is a lot bigger than the original Mach 1. Let me go ahead and get my spray bottle, which is in that yellow container right there. Let's go ahead and do that. This drives me nuts. Make sure the horse is facing the front of the car, okay? The horse or the snake, whichever one you have. But I've seen so many people put their decals on like this. And I know one guy did it because he thought it was funny. It was okay, but the V6 owners, come on. And now for the pastry resistance. I don't know French that well. Is that how you say it? Maybe not. But let's just put this piece on real quick. A little tip: when you put a decal on like this, put tape over it so you can peel it off the back, the sticky side, and actually just tape it on there straight. Now that we got it taped on there, all we have to do is peel the back end off of it and then put the tape on there. And I also want to say thank you to Blue Oval Industries. I'm not sure if this is your company, but I'm going to go ahead and thank Daniel Carpenter, Mustang Restoration Parts, because this was the best price I could find for this Mach 1 emblem, and it looks amazing.